experts here make your home more comfortable than ever with the only company in Lane County that provides a full mechanical service and installation. Routine service, breakdowns, or installations. Your satisfaction and comfort is always our #1 priority. Heating and air conditioning, to plumbing, insulation, and electrical. Home Comfort is an independent American Standard dealer.
Home Comfort provides a one-stop shop mechanical service.
We're standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Home Comfort, the one to call.